There is little to business.
You have what I want.
What?
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We're in need of a bridge.
On base, those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lift at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
You're not authorized. Right. To go to the
Power is blown. Find an alternate route. These two droids in the way. Distant dots just below us. Take the risk. Hurry! The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence. Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
Our brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is short as a... There's no escape. Tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance. Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. Star recruits. Now they sign on for a break. Hey, your assistance now. I think you'll have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Stafford's hot beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant?
楽しいな、これ。
楽しいな。Next pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
いや、これすげえな。日本に欲しいな。
Lieutenant back here.
ほんますげえな。
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your help, the location of the
それ
resistance
動きが。いや、全部さ、絵じゃないもんな。
Yes,
本物だもんな。
映像じゃないよね。
そう、映像じゃないのがすごい。着いたね。
着いたね。
着いたね。
楽しかった。
楽しかった。やったな、楽しかったね。
楽しかった。
着いたね。危なかったな。どうでした？
やっぱこれやな。
やっぱこれやな。すげえな。
なあ、やっぱこれやな。
ご視聴ありがとうございました。チャンネル登録と高評価よろしく。